Hey guys, Rich Ferguson here, and today I'm going to be teaching you an amazing math magic trick with cards. That's right. Get ready, get out a 4 of a kind, like 4 aces, and 16 other cards, and we're going to pull off a miracle. Check it out. So get yourself a 4 of a kind. In this case, we got the 4 aces and 16 other cards, a total of 20 cards. Take your 4 of a kind and lose it into your 16 pile deck. You can have someone else do this. You can have these shuffled. You can cut them, makes no difference whatsoever. But now you're going to deal 10 cards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So you have 2 different piles. You're going to flip one of these 2 piles over. It doesn't matter which you pick. Let's just say I picked this one. Now we're going to alternate these. You can start with this pile or this pile. It makes no difference. So just begin to alternate them, therefore shuffling them up and making a complete mess. And you can even cut the cards. So from here, you're going to deal 4 hands. 1, 2, 3, 4, until you run out of cards. And now at this point, you're going to do something unique. You can pick the card that's closest to you or the cards that are furthest from you. And you can choose to put them on top or below the other pile. Let's just say I take these and throw them on top. Doesn't matter. Then you're going to take the other 2 on your left and right, and you're going to do the same thing. You can go one way or the other, and it can go on top or underneath. It doesn't matter. Let's say I go underneath. Then pick one of these piles, and at this point, flip one over. It doesn't matter which. Shuffle them together. And at this point, when you spread the cards, all the cards are facing the same way again, except for your 4 aces. How cool is that? Comment down below and give us your theory on how you think this math works. I'll pick a random name and I'll send out a pack of my Ferguson playing cards. You guys, thanks for the love and support. I'll catch you next week. Peace.